the step number 8. Valid IP per subnet. The formula will be same, 2 to the power n minus 2, but n means number of host bits left in step 4. N means number of host bits left in step 4. How many bits is left in step 4? 6. To the power 6 minus 2. 64 minus 2 equal to 62. So we have divided the total space, that was 256 meter, into the 4 parts, and each part is 64, and each part contains 62 valid IP address. The size of each subnet will be 64 and the valid IP address will be the 62, because one number is NID and one number is BID. Minus 2 means one number is NID, one is BID. Now the step number 9 is the final answer. Step number 9 is the final answer. Subnet ID range. Very carefully. Subnet ID range. First subnet, you will make it boundary goal line. Second, third, and fourth. 199.10.20 is already given, 24 bits. The first subnet will start from 0. You will write here 0. Do not complete the range. First write the NID of second subnet, 199.10.20.64, 199.10.20.128, 199.10.20.192, and we have written here NIDs. All are NIDs. You know very well this is NID, 199.10.20.0 NID, but 199.10.20.64 is also NID. We will prove mathematically in the next slide. 128 is also NID and 192 is also NID. Now what will be the BID of first octet? You will check the next NID and -1, 199.10.20.63, 64, 63 is your BID. Second octet BID will be 127, because the third subnet NID is 128, -1 from the next NID, 191 and 254, 255. 199.10.20.63 is a BID for first subnet, 127 BID for second subnet, 191 BID for third subnet, and 255 BID for last subnet. And you know only 255 and 0 that we have discussed. 0 is the NID and 255 is the BID. We have not discussed 64 with the NID. And now define the range. you will add 1 into the NID, you will get first valid IP address 1, and you will minus from VID, you will get last valid IP address 62, 65, 126, 129, 190, and 193, and 254. First valid IP, last valid IP, 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 and from first valid IP to last valid IP, valid IP range, valid IP range. So we have divided one big hall into 4 equal shop, and each shop have the starting boundary wall 0 and end wall broadcast ID, starting wall NID, end wall BID, and that is the usable space between the inside the shop.